Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing my Jeffree Star Premium Valentine's Day mystery box. I'm not going to waste any time, I'm just going to get straight on into the first item that I got in my Premium Valentine's Day mystery box, which is this really cute Jeffree Star red beanie hat. It's got these little Valentine's Day hearts on them. It's super cute. I don't really like beanies. I've never liked beanies on me. I just feel like they look weird and make my head look bigger than it already is. So I don't know if I'll ever wear this. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with it, but it is really, really cute and super soft. And like I said, it's got these cute little heart decals on it, which is super cute. And then the next thing that I got in my box is a pink pop socket. Let me just take it out of this plastic so it's not reflective, but yeah, it's just this super cute pop socket. Usually when he puts these in the box, I don't really care for them too much, but I do really like this pink one. I'm not like a huge fan of pink, but I think this one's really cute. The next thing that I got in my box is actually a gloss. This is super exciting because I haven't tried his gloss formula yet. This specific shade is exclusive to the Premium mystery box, so you can't like get this ever again. So this is in the shade Succulent, which I think is such a cute name because I love succulents. Yeah, I'm not wearing this right now, but I can't wait to try this out soon. But the packaging of his glosses are so pretty. Like, I just can't get over the details and everything. So yeah, this is the shade Succulent, and it's like a pink with like blue and purple sparkle like reflect. I don't know how well you can see it on camera, but it's super pretty, and like I said, I can't wait to try it. I'm really excited to try his glosses, and yeah, they do smell like cake kind of, so that's really cool. And then the last thing, which I have already opened just because I couldn't wait to open it and look at it. I don't know if you guys can tell from the packaging, but this is the Alien palette. So yeah, like I said, this is the Alien palette. This is just like the box that it comes in. It's really cute and pretty, like purple sparkly. But this is what the actual Alien palette looks like. It's like bigger than my head. When this palette launched, I wanted it so bad, but I just never bought it for some reason. So I'm really, really happy that it ended up in my mystery box because I couldn't believe it. I really tried this time to not see any spoilers of these mystery boxes, but you just sometimes accidentally see spoilers. So I'm so happy that this is in the box. This is the packaging, and like the eyes, I don't know if you can tell, but like they're bubbled out. It's like really, really cool. And this is like really heavy too, so. But when you open it up, this is what the inside of the Alien palette looks like. Sorry, it's like reflective. I think you can see the colors better when it's like that. So yeah, I love this palette. Like I said, I really wanted it when it came out, but I'm glad I ended up not buying it because it came in my box. So yeah, it's super, super pretty. These colors are really, really cool, and I'm just really excited to have it, and I'm still shocked that it's in the mystery box. I got the Blue Blood palette in my holiday mystery box, so yeah, I'm really excited to play with this. I want to do tons of looks with this, so everything in the Jeffree Star Valentine's Day Premium mystery box. I would love to know what box you guys got if you did end up getting one. I think this is definitely the best thing out of the whole box. Yeah, I know this video was kind of like short and quick, but I really only had a short amount of time to film this. Yeah, I think it's probably the best mystery box yet, and I can't wait for his future mystery boxes. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!